Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. The other day, one of you guys left a comment on my video saying that you're actually a student and some of the products I use are a little bit expensive, especially when you have to pay for important things like education and whatnot. And it reminded me of all the little tips and tricks I do when I was broke at the end of the month and had no money for a face mask from Lush, which was like my go-to. So I'd use household items like products I'd always have in the kitchen that would do the job just as well as any expensive face mask. So today I'm sharing with you guys some of my favorite one recipe face masks that you can find in your kitchen cupboards. You guys can't see my kitchen at all, it's over there. But before we get going, remember to like the video if you did indeed like it. And if you want to see more videos of mine, then subscribe. You don't have to do either. You know, don't feel like I'm forcing you to do anything you don't want to do. But it would be nice if you did. So let's start off with one of my favorites, and that's number one, a rice water mask. I love rice as one of the main ingredients in my sheet masks and in my face scrubs. Rice water is full of vitamins. It's got lots of minerals and amino acids in it. Ferulic acid, which is essential for giving you bright, radiant skin. And it was also very, very good at evening out your skin tone. And allantoin. Basically, it's known for its anti-inflammatory properties. So if you have irritated skin, big bumpy spots and acne, it's gonna help you out. But yeah, I love how rice makes the skin look a lot lighter and brighter. It gives you a nice tightening sensation as well. The next mask is a green tea mask. I'm gonna use the same method as the rice water basically. But green tea is known for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties. I love green tea in all my skincare, all of my skincare. I just find that it really evens out my skin tone, gives me a nice healthy glow, and really helps the spots as well. Next up we have the oatmeal mask, or just oats, plain oats. I think oatmeal is American. Oatmeal is very good for all skin types, but I found for me with oily skin it also helped control my oils. Again, it's anti-inflammatory, so if you have irritating acne, it soothes irritation and is generally quite a good cleanser as well. It contains something called saponins. I'm gonna Google it. Saponins, which is basically a cleansing agent. And what we're not gonna do, which I've seen on YouTube a lot, is kind of try and pat that onto our skin and let it stay. It's very, very messy. So what we want from this is really the juices from the oats. So we're gonna kind of apply it and rub it on at the same time. It's gonna look like a very, very watery clay mask. Once that's on, we leave it for 5 minutes. You don't want to over dry your skin, this can be quite drying. Then when it comes to rinsing it off, we're going to get rid of the majority of the big oats. Then we're going to massage the residue into our skin, helping to cleanse our skin, and then wash off with warm water, follow up with a toner and a moisturizer. Now I have a bit of a weird one, but this is very, very good for uneven skin tone, for dark spots, so lightening your skin and making it more even. So potato is a natural skin lightening agent, but it's going to help with any dark pigmentation you have in your skin, so left over from acne scars, anything like that. And it also works as a kind of an exfoliator, so it helps to get rid of dead skin cells on your face. So all we're gonna do for this is make some mashed potato without the butter or the milk, or however you cook mashed potato. I can't cook, so I don't know the recipe for mashed potatoes. But what I like to do is not when I'm eating them, when I'm putting them on my face, is boil them, mash them up with a bit of water. Again, you could add your rice water, you could add your almond milk, but you can just use water from the tap to give it that mashed potato consistency. And then we're not gonna apply it to our whole face, we're just gonna apply it to areas where we have a bit of uneven skin tone or dark spots, or hyperpigmentation. You're gonna leave that on for about 15 minutes. It's really good at just staying in place, so you can get on with household chores, bit of work, whatever you need to do. Then when it comes to take it off, we're just gonna kind of slip it off with a cotton pad or whatever really. A bit of toilet roll. Then we're gonna cleanse, tone and moisturize as usual. You don't see immediate results, but after about maybe a month of using this twice a week, you do find that your dark spots, even dark circles, get a little bit lighter. That's the most prep time. It's just kind of annoying to wait for potatoes to boil. But yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm always trying to make you put weird stuff on your face, but I just want to show you guys that you really don't have to go out and buy expensive fancy face masks, because they usually contain ingredients that food in your kitchen cupboards contain anyway as key ingredients. If you have any more tips, any more DIY face mask tips and tricks, please leave all that in the comments box down below. But that is it for now, guys. I will see you next time.